Hello! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to request a car seat on Uber. So, are you traveling with a little one? I'd like you to know that Uber makes it easier for parents by offering rides with car seats, but only in certain cities. So, if you are in an area where Uber car seat is available, here's how to request one with just a few taps. Let's get into it. So start by launching the Uber app on your phone. Make sure that you're signed in and your GPS is turned on so the app can detect your exact location. On the home screen, you can just go ahead and click on where you're going. I'm just going to tap what I have saved earlier, and that's going to take you here. So once you tap on where you're going, you're going to be prompted to enter your destination, your pickup location, and your destination location. And once you enter your destination, then it's going to take you to this window where Uber will show you available ride types like Uber X, Uber XL, and sometimes Uber Comfort. Now, if Uber, I'm asked to do some verification stuff that I don't want to do. So if Uber car seat is available in your city, it will show up as one of the options here in this place. You see that it is not available in my city. So it's going to show options like Uber car seat or Uber X with car seats. That's what you're going to see. So tap on it and select it. Uber car seat rides come with one forward-facing car seat suitable for children who weigh between 22 and 48 pounds and are at least 2 years old. A surcharge, usually around $10 USD, that's $10 actually, will be added to your fare for the car seat service, and you see this clearly displayed before you confirm. Now double check the right type, pick up and drop off locations, then tap confirm car seat or request to book the ride. The driver will arrive with a car seat already installed and ready to go. If you're traveling with more than one child who needs a car seat, Uber car seat will not be suitable as the option provides only one seat per vehicle. So you may need to bring your own additional seats, and that's it. You have successfully requested an Uber ride with a car seat. It's a lifesaver for busy parents and a safer way to ride with your child. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped your search.